So this is how to use a drone in Japan. You need to register any drone above 100 grams. And this is the new law surrounding it. And so I had to register my drone, which is a DJI Mini 2. You need to read the rules and regulations before you open an account, and then you need to fill in the information for your account. And this is how you create your account, agree terms, information, confirm your information. This is what you need for the account creation. This is also the step-by-step guide by the government. They made an English translation, so you can take a look at what you need to do. You can also pause the video if you want it to be a bit slower. You will need to confirm your identity. For me, it was passport and driver's license because I'm a foreigner. And I need to scan a QR code from my phone to scan my passport. I'm getting ahead of myself. This is how you register your drone to the website. What you need. This is listed on the screen. You log in, open your account, and then put new registration for your drone. Confirm your identity via the passport. And then the owner information of the drone. The DJI Mini, it has a remote ID according to the government, so I had to put it yes. If I try to put no, they will make me confirm my identity again. Once you apply for registration, you can do everything. It will take some time for them to respond. I'm at Chiyoda City. Inside there's a lot of government buildings in this area. So this is where all the ministries are. Trying to go to the Ministry of Land Infrastructure so I can finish the application for my drone. I tried talking to the Ministry of Land Infrastructure and the department for the drone regulations, because I previously applied and they sent me a reply after like a week. And because I'm leaving in a few days' time, I wanted to be able to use it. I wanted to be able to use the drone for Hakone, but because of their slow reply speeds, I'm spending the morning and early afternoon to come to Chiyoda City, where all the government ministries are. And I tried to talk to them, but because my Japanese skills are too poor, I couldn't really communicate. So they told me that I could call a number, but because of my phone, I don't have the data card. I don't have a phone number, so I couldn't call them. Now I'm trying to get breakfast/lunch just to get change to call the ministry and sort things out. My brunch at Chiyoda City. I'm going to be using a Japanese payphone. I don't think I've actually used a payphone before. Huh, interesting. I finally was able to talk to someone in the ministry via the payphone, and the number I got from one of the security guards. Feels so good. I just need to pay for the drone registration, and I can fly it in Hakone, which is where I wanted to fly it in the first place. Thank God, now I can go explore around this area. With the ministry, I was able to get a quick response this time, so I can confirm everything and then just need to pay for the fee. And then once I pay the fee, I'm allowed to use the drone as long as I check that it's okay to use from the UAS map, which there should be a link but in the description. Before I forget, you should put the registration number onto your drone. I did it via a sticker, so if anything, if it falls and the police officer or anyone can check, oh, this drone belongs to me. It's also part of the rules. Like, share, and subscribe, please. More videos coming soon.